I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into less.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is yet another tutorial. And this tutorial is going to be a Bantu knot out. Bantu knot out. Bantu knot out. Just playing. But I am going to add some Bantu knots to these braids. He's like, oh, like, no, yes, get out of AmirahJaye, okay? AmirahJaye put these lovely braids in my head, and I'm just like, it's kind of tired of ponytails, so let's go ahead and Bantu knot on it. So, let's get started. Okay, so to get this little party started, I'm going to show you the products that I will be using today on my hair. I'm really just using one product, and then the other one is just like nothing. It's water. But the main product is Miss Jessie's Baby Buttercream. This stuff is like the milk to my cereal. I don't know. This product is pretty dope. I got it from Target, and it has this thick consistency. I really use it only on like Bantu knots and twist outs because it's a kind of like heavy product, so that's why I just use this one product. And of course, our handy dandy water bottle. And to get these gnats out, a diamond brush or a 9-row, 7-row brush. This is the only way I detangle my hair without crying. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, you already know this hair of mine is dry. And I just be acting like it's not. But hey, whatever. We get through the day with or without it being done. So now I'm about to just douse my hair in some water, loosen up those tight kinks of mine. And I know you didn't want to watch it through, so we're just gonna speed it up. Speed it up. So now I'm using my diamond brush to detangle my hair to help the process be a little bit more easier. You know, manageable hair makes the day go better. So as you can see, I'm just brushing, starting from the ends and moving my way up to prevent breakage or any hair loss from pulling the hair cuticle too rough. Can we just take the time to see how popping these curls can be on one side and not the other side? Please excuse the chemical damage I have, but we getting back healthy. As you can see now, I'm using my finger to just section out my hair to begin the process of Bantu knotting it. I kind of like to use my finger better than a comb because when I take the Bantu knots out, it's easier to run my fingers through it to separate it and hide those parts so I don't have a harsh line going all over my head, you know. So as you can see, I'm using my finger again to create a subsection of the section I already have, then using my diamond brush to detangle the hair once again so we can make this process much easier so we don't run into any little nicks and knacks. Then I grabbed my Miss Jessie's Baby Buttercream, literally just a little bit, just a little. Due to the fact that this is a kind of heavy base product and you don't really want it to weigh your hair down. So I'm just going to rub it throughout that section, using my fingers to work the product in and then create that section one more time. Now it's time to Bantu knot. The first thing I like to do is kind of get a feel of the section and then split it into two, creating a 2-strand twist. You do not have to do a 2-strand twist to create a Bantu knot out. You can roll the hair around, or you can do a 3-strand twist. I prefer a 2-strand twist because it gives me a tighter curl and it makes my Bantu knot out last longer. Once I'm done twisting the hair all the way down, I wrap it around and wrap it around until I can feel it becoming tight. Once it's tight, you can create the knot. Yes, the Bantu knot. I personally just wrap the hair in the knot without using bobby pins or rubber bands to secure it because I can't sleep with those things and it seems way tighter than this.
Worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. Just wear a finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good.
It's a look. It's a look. It's a look.
So this is so good.
So what I'm going to do is put the bottom on.
I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. So wrap your arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. I was worried you blow my reputation.